Sorry, there's not one coming to you. Back around. Get some guys down on the opposite side. Okay, we're playing medic? Let's go. This way. Alright, let's go, man. Wait, is there only medic? I'm a medic right here. There's 3 medics. Or 2. Lucky, where are you? Where are you? We have a medic. He's down. Right, guys, with our white hat. Wait. Got a medic over here. Hey, guys. Here is the black on fire. That's that, army of 2 men. Let's go. So if you see him, just light him up. Medic. Oh, watch out, over there, cross. Oh, all the way? Yep, yeah. Look, see the beam. Here, man, start coming forward. Hey, let the medic get the corner and then start providing cover fire. Let them cross. Okay, who needs medic? Oh, over there, right? They're still close to the building, yeah. So you can get in front of them so you can run across. Let me get in front of you. That guy's still out? Yeah, he's still out. He's got a drum mag too, so he's kind of a big priority. He's got suppressors. Is that friendly? That's friendly right there. Yeah. I can run across. No, run across. Alright, let us know when you're ready, yeah? Okay, I'm ready. Alright, go for it. Hey, stay on the left. Go. Hey, go right, go right, go right. Alright, again. Who's in this building? Where's all them? Who needs a medic? What is the medic? Oh, she gets around. I could have. She just ran behind the 44 container. Medic. What? Medic has a wheel. Watch out, there's a dude behind us. Oh, behind us? We got people right there. Medic. Medic, I shoot. Medic's coming down. Moving left. Turn it. Been done. Is that friendly or enemy? No, it's not. Isn't it friendly? Right. Yeah. They'll be special. Come out. Yeah. Okay. No, not that one. The far one. What, I'm all the way down? Yeah, it's my fault. Why? Picking it up? Hey, where you going? Oh, you're done? Alright, cool. No problem. Medic!
I need a medic. Needs a medic down there.
Alright, medic on there. Wait, you're still medic, aren't you?
Yeah.
Alright, come on. We got some guy down here. Go down, crouch down, crouch down. Crouch down. Thank you.
Let's go, medic.
Right there, who needs a medic? Hey! You need a medic, huh?
No, we're okay. You might want to back up. So.
Hey, medic.
Down there? Yeah, no, I see him.
Are they in the doorway?
Tag in this guy right here and you're good.
Tag him?
Yep. Yeah, me. Aim higher. Alright.
He needs a medic.
Medic.
Hey, yes.
What's up, man?
Who needs a medic? You?
Back there, corner.
We got 2 enemies.
Medic! Hey, check it out.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Medic!
I don't think they let us, yeah? They said no flashbangs or anything.
Right, it's put on the side, guys.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep.
Hey, watch this window, Hey, watch it right there. Oh, let's see it from the bottom.
Hey,
Randoms are walking.
if you can't cover me, I'm gonna get that dude right there.
And I'm gonna run back.
Okay. Look.
Come. Come. I'm at it. Medic. Go back alive. Go.
Down this guy. Down, and stay inside.
Stay low.
Stay low. I need cover fire for that dude right there. That's the dude that needs a medic.
We got 4 guys on there right now. 3 guys on there right now.
You guys, if you guys can cover fire me, I'm gonna get that dude right there that's sitting on the ground.
If the guy's too far, do not go for him.
He's not.
Okay, ready? Yeah, I'll follow you, alright?
Go.
Alright, ready, set, go.
Come out.
Okay. Come.
Okay.
Where is it?
Watch it.
Go.
Okay, there's a guy.
You guys need medic?
Okay.
Oh, hey! Down. You guys, here. Oh my god, get the, so I can go on inside the window.
You gonna climb in?
Yeah, I want to go through this way.
Alright. Here. Step on me. Thank you.
You need a medic too?
Yeah, sorry, we got one guy down too.
I'm alive!
Where's the bed? You're in?
Yeah.
Alright. You're in the bed? Who's the guy in the bed?
We covered it with them.
Hey, touch me then. I don't know if I got it now. Don't touch me.
You guys want to cover fire with me? Run across.
Yep.
You got that. Come fire.
Okay. Cover fire, man. Go run all the way down that way.
Yeah, jump off the window.
Right here. What's that? You climbing over?
Yeah.
Back left corner. That building.
Here we go. Right now, you're doing a crossfire. Here, going good?
You guys ready? Hey, you guys, cover fire me.
Can you book it? Hey,
Ready?
He's in the window.
Hey, you want me to hold
You
your...
don't want to cross here, man.
Not yet?
If he can book it without his gun, he's got...
You get a better chance.
Yeah, but he doesn't want to leave his gun here.
Okay.
Alright, hold on.
Alright.
Ready? Hey, you guys ready? Ready?
Watch that window. We're about to cross,
Fire,
right?
guys.
Ready? Set. Okay. The first fire. Ready, set, go. Go, go, go.
The window.
Very much.
You need it?
I need you guys on the other side of the border.
Down. I'm good. Thank you. Stay down. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there.
Is there, guys?
Hey, bro. Bro.
You all the way up and grab that guy.
Watch out, right here. Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna come on. There's like 4 guys out on that side. They're just chilling right now, so we're good right now. Maybe. Guys can advance. I'll kind of hold.
Hey, someone threw it this way.
Probably through the window.
They got hit.
Yeah. Medic. Hey, how many respawns you got?
I don't know, as many as you want.
Hey, medic. Thank you. Wait, medic! Alright. I got you.
Tag him.
Yeah. And that's it.
I'm good.
You need to get tagged.
That's our guy.
Sure. Yeah. Okay. You take that building ahead of us, man.
There's two inside there.
I'm gonna run across. Ready? I'm gonna go.
Okay, we're watching. There's a crossbar back here somewhere. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Sorry. Hold on, the medic's coming.
Cross him? Yeah, I'll go with you. 3, go.
Yeah! No, don't go back. Damn.
Let the do it then.
They're shooting. You just start crossing.
Hey, you ready?
Yeah.
Hey, over there, this guy right here. Hey, you ready? Hey, over there.
Yeah. Stand up.
Come over here. Where's that? You man. You do it. Yeah, it doesn't harm that. No, it's back. Weird thing out here.
There's one inside here.
Yeah, that's why. He shot me through the building.
One inside that window. Stick down his dip
I
part.
think you look out the crack and go, we are. That could be popping out of the window. That all the way back there in the face, though. You see him?
No, my gun is running out of bullets. It's out of bullets.
David, come here.
Yo. Coming. You need medic?
Gary, right there, that window. You blew it already.
Yeah. Now put me down. Get right there.
There's a guy right there in that window.
You guys. Hey. Where? We need a medic.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Where?
And I'll tell you, go hit those guys. Ready?
All of those?
Yep. Ready? Did you up in here?
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Go.
Buddy. Yeah, man, go. Oh, I love you, man.
I got medic.
Medic, we need a medic. Hey, you medic.
I know, I'm still.
Hey, you got me?
Yeah.
Go, I got the guy.
That building over there.
Hey! Okay, how much people are out there?
A lot.
Oh my god, Ethan, I don't know where you are.
Guys,
I'll block the doorway. Hey man, just in case, I think a friendly shot me, but it's all good. Get up to that motherfucker.